sitting in front of Rajamouli sir and I'm like, sir, any role that, even if you think you just want me to hold a coffee cup and walk in the back of the frame, I'm ready to. He said, no, in Bahubali there is no coffee. How you doing car chases over here, bro? Yeah, we did it. The port authority chasing me as we are escaping in Bangladesh is right here.
So was this a bachelor pad? Did you have friends coming in and like chilling types?
It was, yeah. It was a 2-bedroom.
Bhai, that's a decent building, यार.
मतलब हैदराबाद में हर बिल्डिंग डिसेंट ही होता है. हीरो बनने का चांस मैं बना रहा था उस वक्त. While being a part of Bahubali, I started writing Kshanam. By the end of my first year, I got a small I-10. My legs wouldn't fit.
Oh shit, of course. हाँ भाई, थोड़ा horn कम मारो. I was 2 years old to realize that your full name is actually something else.
Sort of, yeah.
Aditi says Sunny Chandra.
Yes, it is. In fact, in my official name, Sesh isn't even there.
Really?
Yeah. So here's what happened, right? In the States, when I was growing up, I started getting teased. Matlab, Sunny Delight.
Oh.
Sunny Delight, jo orange flavored drink hota hai wahan pe. Sunny Delight. Then Sunny Leon got suddenly popular there. So all the young boys were teasing me.
Oops.
You have the same name. So then I came home and I'm like, Dad, they're teasing me after an orange juice, ab kuch karo na,
Correct.
And Dad's like, Sesh is also your name. You can use that if you want. I'm like, what? So he's like, yeah, I'm a big fan of Sunil Gavaskar, so I named you Sunny. But Sesh also was there because the Pujari said it has to start with Shah, not Sir.
Oh, that's it.
So I was like, okay, all right, I'll start using Sesh. यहाँ आने के बाद पता चला कि स्पेशली तेलुगु लोगों में हर तीसरे बंदे का नाम शेष है.
అవును కదా అదే మళ్ళా
అంటే మనం రైల్వే స్టేషన్ కి వెళ్ళి శేష్ అని పిలిస్తే శేషు అంటే ఆ సార్.
ఇట్స్ లైక్ రాజు.
రాజు, సీను అండ్ శేషు ఆర్ యువర్ देयर आर योर 3 ड्राइवर नेम्स.
करेक्ट. ये बात तो करनी पड़ेगी कि हमारी जो तेलुगु इंडस्ट्री है वो रामोजी फिल्म सिटी में कितने शूटिंग करती है, इस बात की बात करनी जरूरी है.
I mean, Ramoji Film City definitely we shoot there, but प्रॉब्लम ये हो जाता है कि मैं जब भी अपने हिंदी दोस्तों के साथ बात करता हूँ ना, हाँ RFC ना रामोजी में, they don't realize कि हमारे यहाँ it's like Annapurna Studios, these are the big studios.
Correct.
Like because they're in the center of the city.
Yes.
Ramoji is outside the city.
Yes.
So we shoot there, but we get a lot of shooting done here.
It's right here in Jubilee Hills at Banjara Hills.
Center में.
అదే కదా. ఎందుకన్నా మీకు అందరికి కన్ఫ్యూజన్ మాకు చెప్పండి ఈ కామెంట్స్ లో. We are purposefully doing this in Telugu so that you read the subtitles and you figure what we've said.
మేము ఇది ట్రైలింగ్వల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అన్నమాట.
అంతే కదా. ఇదే పాన్ ఇండియా.
బట్ యు డిడ్ వన్ విత్ రాణా, నో? రాణా హిందీలో కూడా మాట్లాడరా వీడియోలో?
మొత్తం ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎక్కువ. So
all these Indian born and bred boys are more English talking.
Yeah, that's true. we think in Telugu also a lot, but we think in English also a lot. That's just how we've become, no?
I didn't speak Telugu until I was 12.
What?
Yes.
మీ తాతయ్య హ్యాపీగా ఉండారా అప్పుడు?
అంటే నేను నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత హ్యాపీ ఉన్నారు. నేను ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ US లో DVD కవర్స్ చూసి I started learning Telugu.
Oh wow.
So my first akshar was Ja from Gentleman film.
అయ్యో. Ja is also not an easy way to write it, no?
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, adi.
For all of our Hindi folk who can write Telugu.
How many of us? देखिए, the kind of internal racism that goes on in our country with the South Indian folks being called Madrasi, उसको तो definitely सबको बंद कर देना चाहिए भाई.
No, but I have some school racism against you.
Oh really?
Yeah. So apparently I'm told that the HPS Begumpet, you're HPS, no?
I'm HPS Ramantapur, folks.
So HPS Begumpet people feel like HPS Ramantapur are not real HPS.
We're fake illegal people of some sorts. Guys, it's just like we started doing better in education, so that you all had other issues like land acquisition and whatnot happening.
But I'm told that I was there at the Jubilee celebrations of the 50-year celebrations of HPS Ramantapur.
We did Centennial, Mama.
Sorry, Centennial. Yeah, I was the chief guest.
Avuna.
So when I was there, I came back home and I was telling some friends, yeah, I was just there at the HPS Centennial. Hey, అది రియల్ సెంటెనియల్ కాదు, మాది రియల్ సెంటెనియల్, ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది జూబ్లీ మన బేగంపేటలో అని చెప్పి.
అవునా? ఏదో మామ ఇది ఒక గడ్బడ్ ఐటమ్. విల్ ఫిగర్. Basically, my joke is that when I told them I'm an alumnus, please put on social media, they said, sir, We have other people in line, some big CEOs of the top 5 companies of the world, some very big actors of the top 5 kinds of from Andhra.
Wait, are there any actors from Ramantapur?
Yeah.
Which one?
Ramantapur, no.
Ramantapur
maname mama.
That's the thing. The other complaint from the Begumpet branch is Ramantapur uses their guys.
Is it?
That uses
as their alumnus?
Yeah, like Satya Nadella.
Yeah. I also say Satya Nadella is from my school.
But he's from the Begumpet.
That's true. I mean, what to say. So, abhi Gudachari 2 aane wali hai, kyun?
We've announced 2 films.
Okay.
Got my passion project, Gudachari 2, G2. The first one, part 1, was done on a shoestring budget, but it sort of revolutionized spy film for Telugu.
Yeah, no, it was a massive hit also.
It was, and we hadn't had a spy film in Telugu for 2-3 decades before that.
Oh, really?
My inspiration being superstar Krishna Garu.
Yeah.
The original Gudachari 116.
Correct.
So as an homage to him, हमने 116 का serial number we kept it in our film. In fact, if you see my car's serial number also is 116. Yeah. So
But you do these Easter eggs in every film of yours? Are there more that we should be now going back and looking at also?
I don't know. This Gudachari is sentimental for me.
Yeah.
It sort of it changed my life. Kshanam was the big break, and Gudachari was the sort of the zoom up.
Correct.
And Gudachari 2 is ultra special. I've been writing it for 2 years, and it's Imran Hashmi is in the film.
Yes, वही तो.
Banita Sandhu is in the film.
क्या बात है?
It means a lot to me. It's a passion project.
तो ये बताओ कि ये जो सैलाब कब आया जिंदगी में? शनम के बाद was there a big spike in the way
Kshanam was the big like, oh, who is this guy?
Okay.
I had people, all sorts of people, the Bombay media calling, Sajid Nadiadwala sir called, and then he bought Kshanam and made it as Baghi 2.
Yes.
So he calls me after every one of my films and he's like, Sej, tell me about what's going on. When are you gonna do a movie here in Hindi with us? I'm like, sir, आप बताएं sir.
नेकी और पूछ.
Sir, आप हमें बुलाएंगे तो हम कभी भी but he's been so amazing to me.
आप लोग 1000 कमेंट करेंगे तो हम नाडियाडवाला साहब के पास ही ले जाएंगे ताकि ये लोग कर दें कुछ.
In fact, I would say कि मैं अगर कभी भी if I need a place of comfort, for me it's Sajid sir.
अरे वाह.
Definitely a few more friends there. I just think they've been very kind to me ever since Kshanam. I think that respect, Kshanam brought that. So Kshanam respect, Gudachari sort of got the young boys and girls. They were like, "Arey yaar, chal yaar, ab se Sej ka picture dekhna hai."
Avuna. Kakapothe 2002 lo ka credit undana. Adenti.
So 2002, I am about 16, turning 17. And मुझे हीरो बनना था. And నేను ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్ కి వచ్చి హీరోగా ఏదో ట్రై చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను.
అవును, అట్లనే వచ్చేసావా?
Just came off.
ఇంట్లో ఏమన్నారు?
They were like, you know what, try it.
Okay.
If it doesn't work, you can always come back and do college. You're young enough. So I came, and then some co-director guy said, yeah, it's the lead role. And us being 16, సరే చేద్దాం super 3 days shooting చేసిన తర్వాత టాటా గుడ్ బై.
నువ్వే అన్నావా వాళ్ళన్నారు? ఎందుకన్నా?
They were like, yeah, that's the role. మరి హీరో అన్నారు ఇదన్నారు. They're like, no, that's the role.
అయ్యో.
So I was like, oh. And I was like, oh, so this is how it works. And dad's like, shut the hell up, come back home.
అవును, ఇది సొంతం కాదు, ఇది సొంతమే కదా.
సో అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ left. So I went back to the US, film school కి వెళ్ళా.
అవును.
Then came back in 2010.
కరెక్ట్. అప్పుడు వచ్చినప్పుడు యూ కేమ్ బ్యాక్ యాజ్ ఎ రైటర్ అండ్ డైరెక్టర్.
అవును, అంటే మనకి ఇంకెవరు ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇవ్వరు కదా ఆ టైం. సో సేవ్డ్ అప్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ మనీ.
ఓకే.
బారోడ్ సమ్ మనీ ఫ్రమ్ మామ్ అండ్ డాడ్. ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇద్దరు క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్స్ నుంచి కొంచెం అంతా ఒక టైట్లీ బడ్జెటెడ్ ఫిల్మ్, ఒక థ్రిల్లర్ చేశాను అన్నమాట.
ఎంత బడ్జెట్ ఒక్కసారి ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ రివీల్?
I think at that time it was about $150,000.
That's okay as a budget, but still less for a full feature.
Yeah, it's less for a full feature, and also the kind of film I wanted to do. Helicopter shot petti appadlo.
Imagination aithe wild kada.
And it was about Kalki and his second coming.
Oh.
So it was very interesting for me that my friend Nagi, he's making a film Kalki with Prabhas. Right?
Correct.
It's in many ways
if a director, circle moment.
Yeah, I was like, oh, okay, mana edo chinna idea. I didn't know how to make it at that time, but idea aithe bagundi.
Correct.
And I did that film. I released it here. Nobody saw it. కరెక్ట్ గా మార్నింగ్ షో టు మ్యాట్నీ షో ఆడిన సినిమా
అంతేనా?
అంతే. అండ్ బట్ ఇట్ కాట్ ది అటెన్షన్ ఆఫ్ విష్ణువర్ధన్ గారు, ద డైరెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ షేర్ షా.
కరెక్ట్.
అండ్ పవర్ స్టార్ పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారు.
అయిపోయింది కదా.
And then I was brought in as the villain opposite Pawan Kalyan in Punjab.
That's it. Punjab was big.
So that was sort of my wildfire moment.
Yeah. కాకపోతే యాక్సెంట్ ఉండొచ్చు కదా. Like when you do speak in English, you do come with an accent sometimes.
I do have one. In fact, నేను ఇండియన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడాలి, నేను మైండ్ లో ఒక స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేయాలి.
అవునా?
So
చూపి.
So it's like, hey, how are you, man?
హైదరాబాద్ కూడా వచ్చిందన్నా దాంతో.
That's Mehfil, by the way.
Mehfil very important place in my heart also.
Yeah, where I used to get my veggie biryani. I suspect that they would just pull out the chicken piece and say, this is your veggie biryani.
It wasn't this fancy, तो लोगों को बताना बड़ा जरूरी है. ऐसा पूरा ब्रांडिंग विंडिंग कुछ भी नहीं था भाई. खाली एक महफिल करके था.
Plastic stools.
అవును.
Nice glass Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Or thumbs up, actually.
Thumbs up.
It was thumbs up.
It
was always thumbs up. And I was having my veggie biryani, which I suspect
was definitely just the rice.
So this road is extremely
special.
Yeah, like this is where my nights walk in when I was trying to get to meet producers. जब मैं डायरेक्टर्स को मिलने की कोशिश कर रहा था, घर आओ, यहाँ पर ऑटो छोड़ देता था, यहाँ से चल के जाओ. So they painted this dargah, but we shot inside this dargah for Gudachari.
Oh really?
Yeah. We used it as a location in Bangladesh.
Oh my God. Bangladesh Manikonda में very nice.
Bangladesh Manikonda में recreate किया और अफजलगंज में recreate किया हमने.
अरे वाह.
So by the way, that's where Rajmouli sir lives.
Oh really?
Yeah. So yes, the big man.
Oh wow, what a wow.
So you make a right here, and so these are all the curry points. Okay. यहाँ पे Bandi
Cool
Chinese.
బండి చైనీస్ మామా. అదే కదా ఓజీ చైనీస్. దాంతో 65 మీరు వెజ్ కదా.
Yeah, I'm veg.
గోబీ 65.
But who has gobi 65? Even gobi won't have gobi 65.
Maybe who knows. And then
so Bandi Chinese samosas, all kobbar bondams, nariyal ka pani,
Yes.
have that. So many curry points. So you'll always have some masaledar curries because we wouldn't know how to cook now.
Yeah.
So come out, get the curries, cook rice at home. That's how we do it.
అప్పుడే కొత్త స్టార్టప్స్ కూడా వచ్చాయి కదా, రోటీ ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు ఆంటీ వాళ్ళు.
Oh right.
తీసుకోలేదా మీరు?
No.
You're a rice person.
No, I mean I just came here. I didn't know anything. और मैं frankly उस समय मोटा था. Like American diet का वो chips विप्स का.
मैदा.
हाँ एकदम. Yeah, we're coming up. ये सब दुकान थे ही नहीं ना उस टाइम.
ये बिल्डिंग ही आप बोल रहे हो तभी बनी थी. दरवाजा खिड़की आपने लगते हुए देखा है तो.
यहाँ पे लेफ्ट लीजिए.
So was this a bachelor pad? Did you have friends coming in and like chilling types?
It was, yeah. It was a 2-bedroom.
कहाँ पर?
This was it. So where I lived.
भाई that's a decent building यार.
It is. मतलब हैदराबाद में हर बिल्डिंग डिसेंट ही होता है. So this building.
पब्लिक सोच रही होगी कि स्ट्रगल दिखेगा, ऐसा कुछ तो दिखेगा भाई अलग नायाब.
This I lived here.
We can get off. There's nobody here. Just take 2. Today is when you come back.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for this privilege. ये कुछ चीजें आपको सिर्फ बॉम्बे जर्नी हैदराबाद एडिशन पे होती हुई दिखेंगी, जहाँ पर ये पहली बार वापस आए हैं after he left. So third floor, which apartment?
That one.
The corner one.
Yeah.
Oh, not bad, huh?
2 apartments per floor. But lovely place. And उस time ये सब नहीं था. It was just flat land.
Oh really?
Yeah. So you just got to see out a little bit in the morning, see birds and all that. It was nice. So as soon as we get up, we go here, go to Hotel Beema's. That's where we'd had our breakfast.
Then walk to the road.
Yeah, then walk. जहाँ पर हम अभी राजमौली सर के घर क्रॉस करके गए थे. We walked till that. So that's where you'll get the auto.
क्या बात.
This was my first year. By the end of my first year, I got a small i10. My legs wouldn't fit.
Oh shit, of course. The OG i10 though.
Yeah.
भाई थोड़ा हॉर्न कम मारो ना. इतने ही हूल देते हैं, देखिए यहाँ लड़ने नहीं आएगा वो आदमी. पर इतनी ही हूल दिए. आओ. The first film you're writing, directing, the second you're being a villain in.
Yeah.
And then after that you're getting typecasted. फिर उसके बाद कैसे evolve करे और तब का क्या struggle होता है when a film has come out, that too with a mega star?
See, that's also so Megastar is, by the way, Chiranjeevi garu.
Yes.
Who is Pawan
Sorry,
Kalyan,
Anna garu.
who's
Sorry,
Pawan
Anna
Kalyan's
garu.
older brother.
Yeah.
So, of course, probably the biggest inspiration to all of us.
Correct.
यहाँ से right. See, now you can see hotel.
Yeah, Bimas కూడా ఇవాల్వ్ అయిందన్నా. ఓపెనింగ్ టైం 4 AM కాకపోతే. That's the thing, guys. I was telling you कि इतना सीरियसली कोई टिफिन को नहीं लेता होगा जितना यहाँ लिया जाता है.
See, यहाँ पे जो आर्टिस्ट कॉफी कथा करके कोई है ना, ऐसे टाइप पे कुछ नहीं था. 4 करी पॉइंट थे, ये मड रोड था और होटल बीमा था बस.
वाह यार, क्या कॉफी कथास. ये महेंद्र बाबू इकड़ा.
So
Superb. So in essence, you were telling.
when I right here
Yeah.
was where I went and met Rajmouli sir regarding Bahubali.
Oh, so you went to his apartment only, yeah?
Yeah, because he had his office there at the time.
Oh.
And so you know, and that's when life changed a little bit because
I was not supposed to be. I did try going to the wrong office then.
Acha.
I got his number and I knew that he was making this magnum opus and I was aiding, so I wanted to come and be an AD on him. So I went off to the wrong office. Adhe problem shit रहा. अప్పుడు कलुद्दमा.
वरना आप हैदराबाद में ही रहते.
हाँ जी हाँ, वो हो जाता, वो for sure हो जाता. ये है उनका अपार्टमेंट आप बोल रहे हो?
नहीं ये लेफ्ट
में लेंगे जब.
हाँ.
तो आप ऐसे ही चले गए थे उनके पास?
नहीं
पूरा प्लानिंग.
In fact, I see the producer of Bahubali and the producer of Panja is the same producer.
Yeah.
Shobhu sir.
Correct.
तो मैंने शोभू सर को फ़ोन किया. मैंने बोला सर कुछ हो तो बताइए. एक बार मुझे राजमौली सर से मिलाइए. He said okay. So I'm sitting in front of Rajmouli sir and I'm like, sir, any role that, you know, even if you think you just want me to hold a coffee cup and walk in the back of the frame, I'm ready to go.
That feel, yeah.
He said,
एक भाला लेके चलूंगा मैं.
I remember, I don't know if he remembers saying this. He said, no, in Bahubali there is no coffee. So I was like, did he just troll me? But then he was very kind and he said, yeah, I'll get back to you. And it was such a simple and formal, I'll get back to you. मुझे लगा कुछ नहीं होना. काम तो नहीं हुआ यार, नहीं होगा. And then 6 months later, I get the call.
Oh wow!
6 months later, I get the call. I remember Shobhu sir coming to me. We sat down in a cafe. He said, "Dekho, it's not a big role, but anybody who watches the film, it's not that they won't. Yeah, यहाँ पे left and then you make a right. Anybody who watches this film will know who you are." And and for a young struggling actor, उस time, imagine. And Shobhu sir very casually drops the words, "It's India's biggest film."
Yeah.
And that was a catchphrase that they used much later in the market.
Correct.
So यहाँ पे right.
I was thinking, why would you say yes to that? Because it wasn't that top grade of a role.
I wasn't the hero yet. I wasn't a hero yet.
Oh yeah?
मतलब हीरो बनने का चांस मैं बना रहा था उस वक्त. While being a part of Bahubali, I started writing Shanam. And I was like, I'm gonna do stuff where it's on my shoulders. मतलब लोग बोलेंगे और देखेंगे और बोलेंगे कि हाँ बंदे में कुछ है.
Fair enough.
और मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था कि मैं क्षणम ऐसे बनाऊं कि इट डजंट मैटर कौन हीरो है.
हाँ.
ये फिल्म हैज टू बी अ सक्सेस. बिकॉज आई वाज आल्सो उस टाइम मेरा एक सेल्फ वर्थ का भी एक डाउट था.
हाँ.
यार कोई मुझे देखना चाहेगा कि नहीं. बहुत सारे तेलुगु लोग कहते थे यार तुम तो नॉर्थ इंडियन लगते हो. सो एक्चुअली बड़े डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर आके मुझसे कहते थे यार देखो तुम दिखने में थोड़े हिंदी वाले लगते हो तो हमारी जो पब्लिक है वो हीरो की तरह तुम्हें आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन हाँ रिच NRI ब्रैड जो विलन है जरूर आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. तुम्हें वो रोल करना है तो बताओ.
क्योंकि उनको आदत थी ना वो देखने की. उसी अंदाज में देखने की.
हाँ. एंड दे वर लुकिंग फॉर समवन टू डू मोर ऑफ दोस. सो एक तरफ से यार ऐसा लग रहा है हमें एक्टर बनना था, एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिल रहा है, बट हम जिस किस्म के रोल्स करना चाहते हैं वो नहीं मिल रहे. सो द आइडिया फॉर क्षणम, एंड this has not been planned, it's actually a coincidence, happened on this road.
What? So obnoxious.
Yeah.
And this road looked like also a Shanam set type.
So go right here. So at that time this was just hill.
Yeah.
But this road went up.
मतलब इतना अच्छा रोड बन गया ये तो मैं भी देख रहा हूँ आपके साथ अभी. क्या बात है.
So right here I saw 2 little girls जो मतलब 4 साल की बच्ची थी, 4-5 साल की, in their school uniform, और वो ऐसे राइट मांग रही थी. एंड मे बी इट्स द अमेरिकन इन मी. मैं डर गया. मैंने कहा यार गर्मी है, कोई नहीं है, एट 9:30-10 इन द मॉर्निंग कोई नहीं है, लेकिन एनीबडी कैन पिक देम अप।
करेक्ट,
और कुछ हो जाता तो उनको,
सही बात है।
तो मैं डरने लगा। कीप गोइंग स्ट्रेट।
दिस इज अराउंड रोड नंबर 14 folks, फॉर एवरीबॉडी who's watching। अभी इतने सारे अपार्टमेंट बन गए, यहाँ पर क्लिनिक बन गए, स्पा बन गए, ये सब कुछ भी नहीं था इधर।
So I put them in my car and I said, which school? They just knew the name of the school. उनका नाम तक नहीं पता था. And they said the auto taking them had broken down.
Oh shit.
तो
ऑप्शन ही नहीं था उनके पास.
So I was so worried. I took them to the school और मैं चिल्लाने लगा प्रिंसिपल पे कि यार क्या कर रहे हो आप? यार बच्चे ऐसे आ रहे हैं, मतलब किसी को कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, कुछ हो जाता तो उनको. And I kid you not, the principal said, हाँ पर सर, children walk to school all the time. तो मैंने रियलाइज किया कि हाँ, हम जब बच्चे थे विशाखापट्टनम में वो करते थे.
करेक्ट.
पर यार जमाना बदल गया ना. So
नियत भी बदल गई ना लोगों की.
हाँ. And I just felt a thought struck my mind. What if a little girl goes missing?
Yeah.
And that's how Kshanam started. My favorite restaurant in the city. We're coming up on it. So here, go down a bit further. Now this one's a new one. It's only opened about 2 years ago.
ठीक है, क्या क्या मिलता है, नाम क्या बताओ?
It's Yellow Life Cafe.
ठीक है जी.
I love it so much, and they've seen me so many times that they've actually asked me if I want to like be a part of the ownership.
Yeah, why shouldn't you?
करने का इतने लोगों को लेके आता हूँ ना वहाँ पे, like भाई आप इतना मार्केटिंग कर रहे हो, चलो why don't you take advantage of the process?
देखिए आप लोग अभी हमें फ्री मील्स देना चाहें तो हम मना नहीं करेंगे.
So this is Yellow Life right here.
हाँ.
And they make the best sourdough pizza.
Oh really?
Yes. It's fantastic. It's a lot of artisanal stuff, amazing Indian fusion cooking, amazing continental stuff, but all of it organic. It's beautiful.
Oh, superb.
So right here, if you want to just pull over to the side for a quick second. So right here is the street. That is the opening scene of Kshanam. So, where Radha Sharma gets assaulted. वो सब इस street पे shoot कर रहे थे. And we, at that time, because it was such a tightly budgeted film, we couldn't afford an action choreographer. So guess action choreographer कौन था?
नहीं पता मेरे को. आप ही थे. ये भाई मैं पूछने वाला था. ये जनरली सस्पेंस और वो क्यों थ्रिल इतना करते हो, बट आप बताते चलो.
So we were shooting here.
Okay.
And then suddenly a car pulls up, and the glass comes down. उस time वो tint था ना?
हाँ जी हाँ.
The glass comes down. Allu Arjun's looking at me like, Sesh, what are you doing? Because there was like 10 of us and we're just doing a fight scene.
Over here?
Right here on the road.
Just like that?
See,
no permission?
बिना permission. यार कहाँ afford करते हो उस time?
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
So he says, what are you doing? तो मैंने कहा sorry यार. He's like, do you want to come home? My house is right. मतलब बगल वाले गली में है. Just
This is his old house.
हाँ मतलब यहाँ से आगे जाएंगे तो दिख जाता है.
अरे वाह जी वाह.
So it's like मतलब you can come home. मैंने कहा नहीं we're shooting. So you're shooting? Unit का है. So that's how it was actually maybe second or third day of shoot.
Why do you have the knack? एक तो दो चीजें हैं. मैंने एक हॉलीवुडिश जी लेफ्ट लेंगे. हॉलीवुडिश अप्रोच देखिए आपके उसमें काम में.
I think वो शायद इसलिए क्योंकि just growing up there.
तो वो उस वजह से हुआ.
2006 में when I sort of acted in a short film, वो हमारे क्लास में वो the professor managed to get us a DI suite at E-Film जो LA में.
Oh.
E-Film is like, I don't even know if it's around anymore. उस time it was a premier post house in Los Angeles. मैं बैठा रहा, I'm some kid trying to do something, short film का कोई color grading करके कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. In front of me, Michael Mann, the director of Collateral.
Oof.
और Tom Cruise. सामने से जा रहे हैं और वो मेरे बाजू वाले सीट्स में बैठे हैं, वो भी वेट कर रहे हैं ताकि हमारा काम खत्म हो और वो अपना फिल्म का कलर
कर लें. Oh my God.
So like when you get that kind of influence, it was just a 20-minute conversation when they were waiting and I was just listening. I was just largely listening, asking questions. When you get that kind of coaching and influence around you, going to film school in the States, फिर वो थोड़ा आ जाता है ना उसका इन्फ्लुएंस.
वो फ्लेवर आप अपने देश में लाना चाह रहे हो, वो भी नायाब है भाई.
नहीं वो फ्लेवर मुझ में है.
वो आपका फ्लेवर है.
हाँ मतलब मुझ में है जो मैं रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि मुझे किसी और यहाँ के लेके आना. So I'm gonna take you into Annapurna.
Oh nice. ये प्रिविलेजेस हमें आपकी वजह से मिल जाती हैं.
तो यहाँ पे लेफ्ट लीजिएगा.
तो हैदराबादी नहीं उठाए, लैंग्वेज हिंदी वैसे वाली.
హైదరాబాద్. సో మన తెలుగు వాళ్ళు చాలా మంది ఢిల్లీకి బాంబేకి గోవాకి వచ్చినప్పుడు హిందీ మాట్లాడాలి కదా.
అవును.
వాళ్ళేమో they'll be talking like that.
How?
They'll say, oh, they'll be like, Onu bolo ki, and the taxi driver will be like, Onu kya hota hai?
Onu बोले वैसे वाले देखो बात जिसको समझ में आ रहा उन्होंने समझ जाता.
So we hit the back gate of Annapurna.
Yes.
So I'll take you in.
Oh, we can head inside from here also.
Yeah, I'll just say hi. And
Yes, perfect, amazing.
so I haven't planned this. I haven't told them anything. So
Let's see
hopefully
what they say.
they know who I am.
We will figure. The car behind they'll know for sure.
Yes. So everything
Background
about this
dignity
place
is-
is just sort of sentimental value to me. Dinesh, the dubbing engineer here, he's done from my first film till date. Right there is the Shiva Preview Theatre. That's a
Yes.
newer edition.
Yeah.
But I test my films there.
Okay.
So every time I'm doing a screening for family and friends, it's where it's at. Over there was a building for Annapurna Film School. And for Gudachari, because we couldn't afford the fancy sets that the shoot required, हम क्या करते थे, ये Saturday Sunday हम स्कूल से ले लेते थे, we'd repaint the whole school और हम गुड़ाचारी का शूटिंग करते थे Saturday Sunday.
And then you'll paint it back.
Paint it back Sunday night, Monday morning वो लोग क्लास में बैठते थे.
What a wow. What a crazy.
Naksha said this on stage. He said, we captured this studio in way that they didn't know. उनको पता नहीं था कि ये कोने भी होते हैं स्टूडियो. तो हमने
ऐसा करने का देखो भाई फिल्म स्टूडेंट तुम लोग जो देख रहे हो पढ़ने आते हो देखो ऐसा करो.
Yeah, this place means a lot to me. In fact, my film.
Full big bore steel, bro.
पक्का. It was beg, borrow, steal और लोगों के एहसान पे जियो.
हाँ बस.
हमेशा.
हाँ स्पेशल थैंक्स का लिस्ट इतना बड़ा.
You actually आप क्षणम का स्पेशल थैंक्स लिस्ट देखो. It's longer than the credits.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I was just guessing.
Yeah, it was Suman's car for the opening kidnap. It was PV sir's house for the ACP's house, played by Manoj Bajpayee in the Hindi version.
Done.
So it's just all these things. It was just everyone else being very gracious to us.
Shit.
So yeah, I'm just so thankful.
ये ऐसे बनती है देखिए फिल्में भाई लोग. यही सत्य है हमारी जिंदगी का. Any Mumbai people stories?
Oh,
sorry.
yeah.
Mumbai people and Hyderabad.
नहीं, Mumbai people in Hyderabad story I want to give.
Oh wow, okay.
So Shobita जब पहली बार घर आई थी,
हाँ.
she couldn't believe we have a terrace garden.
अरे.
So we're here in 7 acres. This is where it happens, man. Street is where the minister's attack happens in Gudachari.
Ah.
And we did
Oh,
it
now
up.
it makes sense.
So we did a traffic signal, the entire action scene, the explosions, the fight, people dying, the minister dying, all of it we did on this street.
Dude, that's superb, huh? It
And
looks wider, huh? But
and nobody realized that we could do it here. In fact, the scene where I'm jumping from the 18th floor,
हाँ.
वो भी इधर से ही कूदा, but we made it look like
चीट
it's
किया
much
वो तो
bigger.
ठीक है वो एंगल ऐसा लो एंगल शूट करके ऐसा ना हाँ, अच्छा है.
Come,
We'll get off
yeah.
and then we'll take the bucket out also.
So much of Gudachari was created here.
On this road?
Yeah, on this road. So the minister was killed here.
हाँ.
The Bangladesh road where the car chase happens is this road.
How are you doing car chases over here, bro?
Yeah, we did it. The port authority chasing me as we are escaping in Bangladesh is right here.
ये देखिए ఇదే మన సినిమా రియాలిటీ చీట్ చేసి బంగ్లాదేశ్ ఇక్కడ 15 acres లో షూట్ అయిందిరా.
Yeah, so
చెప్పేశారు అన్నగారు ఇప్పుడు.
this is the 7 acres. The legendary.
Oh, this is 17.
This is 7 acres. The 15 is from here. You go up all the way.
Oh,
So we were quite proud that Naksha said that we found places to shoot here. Nobody knew that they could make this gate look like Bangladesh.
dude, very well done, huh? Very well done.
Yeah, so
This is superb. I think we've never entered a film studio and shown BTS work where art की setting हो रही है, crane सफाई हो रही है.
this is like, I haven't said this up, we just randomly walked into somebody's shoot.
Thank you so much for being on the Bombay Journey Hyderabad edition.
For sure.
We love doing this
I
much.
love being on the Hyderabad journey, the Bombay journey.
देखिए आप लोगों को कैसा लगा प्लीज बताइएगा. लाइक कमेंट शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. डू नॉट forget to tell us what you took back from this episode.
Yes.
Bye guys.